Good morning, my dear peoples. How are you today? How was your holiday and weekend? Was it great? Very good. Nice to see you again. So, my dear peoples, today we are going to talk about the word some, any, a lot of. How do we translate it into Russian? Немного и несколько, да? So, peoples, let's learn about some, any, a lot of. Мы часто употребляем слова some, any и a lot of, когда мы говорим о количестве чего-либо. The word some, any, a lot of we use in the countable and uncountable nouns, okay? Let's learn about some. The word some we use only in the affirmative sentences. How do we translate it into the Russian? Affirmative sentence? В утвердительных предложениях, да? Значит, мы используем слова some только в утвердительных предложениях, да? Let's look at the examples. There are some flowers on the table. Несколько цветов на столе. There is some milk in the fridge. So we are using this word some in the affirmative sentence, right? Let's look at the exercise. Let's make up a sentence from these words. Are there books on some table? So, if you remember, peoples, we learned about the construction there are, right? So we put the first on the first place. There are. After the auxiliary verb is we use the word some. So there are some books on the table. Okay? So don't forget, peoples, we use some, the word some, any, and a lot of after the auxiliary verb is are. Okay? And look at the second sentence. Their juice is glass, there's some in. So how do you think? Very good. First we use there is, then some. Then what? There is some juice in the glass. Okay. The next, you will make up yourself, okay, at home. You will make up the sentence from these words. Okay. Let's learn about any. The word any we use only in the negative and the question form. Okay? So, don't forget, peoples, we use the word any only in the negative and question form. Значит, ребята, мы используем слова any только в отрицательных и вопросительных предложениях, да? Look at the examples, please. There aren't any flowers on the table. Are there any flowers on the table? Yes, they are. There isn't any milk in the fridge. Is there any milk in the fridge? So, peoples, we use the word any only in the negative form and question form, right? And the word, let's learn about the word a lot of. So the word a lot of we use only in the affirmative form, okay, affirmative sentence. So look at the examples. There are a lot of flowers on the table. And one more reminder, peoples, we use the words some, any, a lot of, we never use with their noun in the singular form. Okay? We never use the word some, any, a lot of with the noun in the singular form. Okay? So in this case, we use the article, indefinite article an. Okay? For example, there is an elephant in the zoo. There isn't a pen in the pencil case. Is there an apple on the table? Okay, peoples? So please learn by heart all these definitions. Okay? Then you will send it to me the video. Okay? The definition of a lot of, the definition of any, and the definition of the word some. Okay, please learn it by heart at home. Let's match their sentences with their pictures. There is some juice in the glass. Where is juice? So we will match it. Next, are there any books on the table? Where is the book? So we should match with these pictures, okay? There are a lot of cats on the grass. Are there a lot of cats on the grass? Very good. So, and pupils, please open your class book, page number 109, and look at the exercise 2. There weren't any children. You can see you cannot see any children there, right? So there weren't any children. There were some teachers. There were some teachers. Is it right? So we are using some only in the affirmative sentence. Okay? And look at the exercise 3. With using some, any, we should complete this sentence. Okay? There weren't any men. Are there any men? No, there weren't any men. So, peoples, the rest one, you will do it at home. This is your second classwork, and send it to me the photo. Okay? Look at the exercise 4. What we will do with using those words, we should make up first question, then answers. Okay, for example, picture 1. Where is picture 1? This is the picture 1, right? How many men were there? There were 2 men. Is it right? There were 2 men. 1 and 2, right? How many boys were there? There was 1 boy. Then, or child, we can say child, right? How many women were there? There were 1, 2, 3. 3 women. Okay, so please make up questions first, then we will answer their questions. Okay, it's very easy for you, right? This is your third classwork. Let's learn about the new words. As usual, we are going to learn about what? Irregular verbs. How do you say irregular verbs? Неправильные глаголы, да? So, peoples, you don't need to learn it by heart, this third form of the irregular verbs. You can just learn by heart first and second form of the irregular verbs. Okay? Please repeat all these irregular verbs after me and 3 times. Okay? Let's start. Forgive, 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 forgave, forgave, forgave. Next, freeze, froze, freeze, froze, freeze, froze, freeze, froze. Next, get, got, get, got, get, got. Next, give, gave, give, gave, give, gave. Next, go, goes, went, go, goes, went, go, goes, went. So, peoples, why we are saying goes? We use the verb goes only on the third place, on the third person, right? Very good. So today's our homework. What we will do? We will make up 6 sentences for the words some, any, and a lot of. So we will make up 2 sentences for some. Okay, we will make up 2 sentences for the word any, and we will make up 2 sentences for the word a lot of. Okay, then we will learn by heart the definitions of the word some, any, and a lot of, and we will learn by heart new words. Okay, is it clear, peoples? Все ясно? Молодцы. Thank you for your time. Have a nice day. I will see you tomorrow. Goodbye.